Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Plus500 Futures, a trading platform designed specifically for US traders who want secure, low-cost access to the futures markets. I'm going to walk you through what Plus500 Futures is, its standard features, how the pricing works, the pros and cons, and to help you decide whether this platform is the right fit for you. Just so you know, some links in the description are affiliate links. If you use them, I might earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and it helps support the channel. Let's get started. Plus500 Futures is a dedicated platform by Plus500, a global fintech company that's publicly traded on the London Stock Exchange and well regulated. For US traders, this platform is fully compliant with the CFTC and NFA, which means it meets high regulatory standards for transparency and security. Now, what sets Plus500 Futures apart is that it gives you access to CME-listed futures contracts, so you're trading on one of the most reputable exchanges in the world. You can trade across multiple asset classes like equity indices, think S&P 500 or NASDAQ, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ether, commodities like gold, crude oil, natural gas, metals, agriculture, forex, and even interest rate futures. This isn't just for the Wall Street elite. Plus500 was built to be accessible, secure, and easy to use, even for retail investors and experienced traders. And get this, once your account is approved, you can start trading with just $100. Now let us talk about the main features of Plus500 Futures. Let's talk about what makes this platform really stand out. First, diverse market access. You get exposure to a wide range of CME listed contracts, from gold and Bitcoin to soybeans and US treasuries. This diversity means you can build a portfolio across sectors and respond to market movements quickly. Plus, you're trading 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, giving you the flexibility to trade before or after work, whenever global markets are moving. Fast and simple account setup. You can open a free demo account in a few seconds, and once you're ready, you can apply to open a real account, although not all applicants will qualify. Funding your accounts is seamless, and the platform accepts Google Pay, Apple Pay, and debit cards, which is awesome for people who want a hassle-free onboarding experience. And remember that $100 minimum deposit? That's one of the lowest in the futures trading space. Cost-effective trading. Yeah, this is a big one. With Plus500 Futures, there are no platform fees, no routing fees, and no market data fees. That's pretty rare in this space. The day margins are also low. Take for example on the micro and mini contracts. The micro Ethereum has its intraday margin to be $20. That's very low. It gives retail traders a lot more flexibility with capital. They even offer a welcome bonus of up to $200 and it's commission free. It's a solid incentive for new users. Just make sure to check the terms and conditions. There will be a link in the description that takes you to that. Education and support. Are you new to futures? No problem. The Plus500 Futures Academy offers free educational resources, videos, and even live webinars to help you learn strategies from the pros. You also get 24/7 live chat support, which is a major plus if you ever need assistance with a technical issue or other queries. Advanced tools and user-friendly experience. The platform is built for both beginners and pros. It's clean, mobile-friendly, and intuitive, so you won't be drowning in buttons that you don't understand. Here are some tools that you will love. Chart indicators for technical analysis, stop loss and trailing stops for managing risk, auto liquidation to protect your capital if the market turns fast, chart sharing which lets you collaborate or show off your setups. Everything is built to help you trade smarter. How about security and trust? Your funds are safe. Plus500 uses segregated accounts, meaning your money is kept separate from the company's operational funds. That's a crucial layer of protection. And with the CFTC and NFA regulation in the US, you're working with a platform that follows strict rules and transparency standards. Now let us talk about the pricing. As I mentioned earlier, Plus500 Futures has no platform fees, no routing fees or market data fees, which is incredibly rare. You're only responsible for the exchange and NFA fees, which are clearly displayed on the site. Also, the trading fees that Plus500 Futures charges are a commission fee of $0.49 per micro contract and $0.89 per standard contract per side. What are the pros and cons of using the Plus500 Futures? First, let us talk about the pros. Regulated in the US by the CFTC and NFA. There are no hidden fees, no platform fees, no routing fees, and data access are all free. You have access to a wide range of CME listed futures contracts with a low minimum deposit of $100. There's free education and 24/7 support. And there are powerful tools with an easy-to-use interface. How about the cons? No traditional stock or ETF trading. This is strictly futures. It's also a newer platform in the US, so community features are still developing. So here's the million-dollar question. Is Plus500 Futures the right platform for you? If you are a US-based trader looking for a secure, low-cost, and beginner-friendly way to trade futures, Plus500 Futures hits a lot of the right notes. It's fast to set up, although not all users will qualify. It is cheap to maintain and rich in features that help you stay in control. The platform's focus on education, real-time data, and clean interface makes it ideal for those who want to dip their toes into futures without being overwhelmed by complexity or crushed by fees. However, if you're looking for a platform that includes stocks, ETFs, or long-term investing tools, you need to look elsewhere. This is for active futures traders, not passive investors. Still, for what it is, Plus500 Futures offers exceptional value and security for US traders. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Ninja Trader, TradeStation, and TD Ameritrade. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.